Good morning, guys. This is Manoj from Market Ideas for Profit, and I'm going to talk about the buy above, sell below strategy that I give on the daily chart plans every morning for 9 charts on my WhatsApp group, Market Ideas for Profit Daily Signals. And I'm trying to explain how we can make money from these signals. So what in the buy above, sell below strategy, we have the green line, which is the buy above line, and the sell line, which is the sell trigger for the price for the sell trade. Now, once the market opens, we know where the price opens, and then we decide whether we are going to be in the buy mode or in the sell mode. If you're above the buy mode, we will be in the buy side of things, and if you're in the sell below the sell line, we'll be in the sell mode of things. So if there could be a number of scenarios how the price could open. If it opens somewhere near our triggers, we go straight away into a trade and we take that decision to buy or sell depending on where we are. And then we use the R1 line as our target 1, and we use the R2 line as our target 2. In case we have a sell signal, we will use S1 as our first target and S2 as our second target. Now, to make this strategy more interesting, and if you're playing with options, what we can do is we can decide to buy options, but I would suggest a money management way and buying your lots in different tranches. So say if you open above the buy line and below the R1 and above the buy line, you're somewhere in the middle and you're not near the near the buy line. So what we will do is we will buy half the quantity where it opens, and then we'll wait for the price to come down if it does, and then we'll get into the second half here, and then expect the price to bounce from this line, which will act as a support, and then exit as it reaches R1 with partials somewhere in the middle between R1 and R2 for the next partials, and finally at the R2 for the balanced quantity. Similarly, if you're on the sell side of things, and if we open between the sell trigger and the S1, we will buy half the quantity, expecting the price to go and tag back to the trigger line, and where we will buy the other half, and then we'll expect to unload our put options, maybe half at the S1 line, maybe some quantity at the point between S1 and S2, and finally exit all of it at the S2 point. Now, these are the strategies that you can use. We have 9 charts that we come out in this fashion every morning. So we have Nifty, BankNifty, FinNifty, copper, crude, gold, natural gas, silver, and zinc. These are the 9 futures charts for which these kind of buy and sell levels are given to you with R1 and R2 and S1 and S2 levels, and you could use all the charts to find the right entry points and the right exit points for the day on these futures charts. So hope you enjoy this video. I will leave a link below for joining these groups on a demo account basis. You will be given a 3 to 4 day demo where you can decide whether you can trade with these signals, and then there is a subscription cost to it. You can DM to the community manager there, and you can get the check. You can get to know what the subscription costs are, and if you're interested, we will be glad to have you on the groups as subscribed members. Thank you for the video. Thank you for being with us on the video, and look forward to seeing you again. Thank you.